Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the realm of the unknown as we explore 5 mysterious events that have baffled scientists and remain unexplained to this day. From eerie disappearances to strange phenomena, these enigmatic occurrences have defied the boundaries of scientific understanding. So, without further ado, let's uncover the secrets behind these perplexing mysteries. Event 1: the Bermuda Triangle, vanishing ships and aircraft. Our first mysterious event takes us to the infamous Bermuda Triangle, an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. Over the years, numerous ships and aircraft have disappeared without a trace within this enigmatic triangle. Despite extensive investigations, scientists have been unable to provide a definitive explanation for these disappearances. Theories range from paranormal activities to natural phenomena, leaving the truth shrouded in uncertainty. Event 2: the Tunguska explosion, a cataclysmic event. In 1908, an unexplained event shook the remote region of Tunguska in Siberia. Known as the Tunguska explosion, it unleashed a tremendous blast, leveling trees and causing seismic vibrations equivalent to a powerful earthquake. The explosion was so intense that it was felt hundreds of kilometers away. Scientists believe that the event was likely caused by a meteor or comet, but definitive evidence remains elusive, leaving the Tunguska explosion as one of the most puzzling natural events in history. Event 3: the WOW signal. A message from outer space? Our next mysterious event takes us beyond Earth's atmosphere to the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. In 1977, an astronomer detected an inexplicable radio signal coming from space, which became known as the WOW signal. This 72-second signal, originating from the Sagittarius constellation, displayed characteristics that suggested it could be of extraterrestrial origin. However, despite subsequent efforts to detect a repeat signal, the WOW signal remains a captivating mystery that has left scientists searching for answers. Event 4: the dancing plague, a bizarre mass hysteria. Our next mysterious event delves into the realms of human behavior. In the year 1518, in the town of Strasbourg, a strange phenomenon known as the dancing plague occurred. People in the town began to dance uncontrollably, without rest or pause, for days and even weeks on end. This bizarre occurrence led to exhaustion, injury, and, in some cases, even death. The cause behind this mass hysteria remains unknown, leaving scientists puzzled by the mysterious dance that gripped the town. Event 5: the Taos Hum, a persistent sonic enigma. Our final mysterious event brings us to the small town of Taos, New Mexico, where a low-frequency hum has plagued its residents for decades. Known as the Taos Hum, this persistent sound is audible to some individuals but remains elusive to scientific investigation. Despite extensive studies and efforts to locate the source, the origin and nature of the hum have yet to be determined. The Taos Hum continues to perplex both scientists and the local community alike. And there you have it, 5 mysterious events that have left science searching for answers. The Bermuda Triangle, the Tunguska explosion, the WOW signal, the dancing plague, and the Taos Hum, each one a captivating enigma that defies rational explanation. We hope you enjoyed this journey into the unknown. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay curious.